Hi everyone. If your Apple Watch is stuck on the pairing circle and if it is not connecting to your iPhone, then this video is going to show you the exact fixes that you can try. So first of all, you need to understand that this issue is often caused by the pairing glitch. So in this situation, what you can do is you can just simply force restart your Apple Watch by holding the side button and the digital crown together until the Apple logo appears. Now you need to restart your iPhone as well. After both the devices turn back on, you can just simply try pairing it again. This particular step clears temporary pairing bugs that cause the circle to freeze. Now, even after resetting it, if the pairing circle is still stuck, you will need to reset the watch. For that, you need to go to your Apple Watch. After that, simply go to the settings in it and go to General. In General, you will find the option of Reset. So you just have to simply tap on the option of Reset, then select the option of Erase all the content and settings. If you can't access settings, you can also press and hold the screen during pairing until you see the reset option. After reset, you can bring the watch close to the iPhone and then you can start pairing again from the scratch. So you can try these methods and see if your Apple Watch is working again properly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.